My husband. His name is Jake. He's worth every penny. He's like the sexiest man alive, and he's gonna sing you guys a song. Look at those holes in those jeans. Look at those jeans. Ah, they look like he's on welfare. You know why? Because he is on welfare. Go ahead, Jake. Sing that song. All right, play something then. You're YouTubing this. Stop playing with the girls. Dedicate this to your father.
I want you to throw down. We have money to pay for it. We decided to steal it, fighting the discount and robbery. But you got away, but I was in darkness because I was so down.
It's a big jump. It's my man right there. That's my man. He's cuffless. You might not be able to see him because he's got dark clothes on. But he's my man. That's my baby right there. It's my baby boo. Like, what up, boo? Jake, we can see your face. Alright. It's too much of YouTube time for you. It was real, so long. Sing this song. So long. How do you sing it?
Now it's time for so long.
Wow.
We'll sing just one more song.
How about goodbye?